Twilio Signal is finally over. We will discuss the new features and new reveals during the event. One thing that was new during this event was Twilio Developer Mode. Twilio released a CLI plugin for their interface where developers could access resources, demos, schedules, and also live transcriptions during the event. That was extremely cool and extremely useful for developers. Let's start with IoT. Twilio is creating a new platform called Microvisor for managing IoT devices on cloud. Developers will have access to login and over-the-air updates on an easy-to-use platform. What differs from other cloud providers is that Twilio will manage security and connectivity for your IoT devices. And everything is powered by ARM Cortex M33 Trust Zone security. On the Flex DevOps side, Twilio is releasing a new plugin CLI API that will allow developers to manage plugins, version plugins, group plugins, and also release plugins in a new dedicated plugin store. Twilio is also releasing a new error API for easy debugging. On the UI side, Twilio is creating a new plugin dashboard where admins or developers could turn on, turn off plugins and also change versions that will allow to easy rollbacks. We also have new Flex integrations. The most important one is Google Contact Center AI. In other words, we now have access to the very powerful Google Dialogflow for AI conversations. We also have new SLA metrics, new time-based reporting, branded calls, and also subflows for Twilio Studio. Twilio is also releasing event streams. Instead of relying exclusively on webhooks and having to manage all those incoming connections on your server side, now you have the option to basically catch all those events in AWS Kinesis. So right now it will only support voice, SMS, and TaskRouter events. Again, it's pretty cool, especially if you want to build real-time data. And finally, we have Twilio Frontline, a mobile application for multi-channel chat communications. It supports out of the box all chat communications that Twilio is offering, like SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, and basically all channels that are currently supported. What it offers is a very secure and anonymous way of having your workers creating a communication channel to your end users. So for example, if you dispatch a technician, it can safely chat with your end customer anonymously. Again, very cool, and I would like to see more about that app.